So good evening everyone. This is Gulab Singh Jamre, and I got very good topic to today for a presentation. Before starting my topic, thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And other thing, thank you so much, sir. And I want to tell about the greatest scientist Isaac Newton, and you have already heard about the great scientist Newton, but I want to tell about again the scientist of greatest scientist, the Isaac Newton, because he is the very greatest scientist in the world. So I want to tell about this scientist, his scientist, and I want to start my topic. So greatest scientist Isaac Newton was one of the greatest scientists in the world, and he was born in the 4th January 1643 at a small village called Walthorpe in the England. But Newton's father died. Newton's father died before he was born, and his mother remarried. He was very young, and so Newton grew up with his grandfriend, and he didn't have a happy childhood, and he was quite and curious boy. So, and he always asking question, and he trying to understand the world around him and other thing. And at his school, he was not a best student at a school, but after some time his interest grew in maths and science and other subjects and other subjects. And after some time he eventually attended the university to study, and he finally admitted the university to study, and they start their study there, and where he studied the maths and science and other subjects, and he become very interested to study science and maths, and how the universe worked. And after some time he completed their study, and he went to back home. And after some days, if I talk about his story. So one day while he sitting in the tree of apple, and suddenly he saw the apple fell down to ground, and this event made him to wonder, and he thought about this event, and he thinking about this event, why do the things fall down, not up? So it is a very amazing thing for him, and he continued this question, and after thinking this question, he developed his theories, gravity, and he developed other thing, and he realized how to work the force, and that force makes the apple fall the ground, and this force that keeps the planets in the orbit around the sun, and other planets and other everything is keeps every other things. So it is a very powerful thing for him. And after some time he made the important discoveries in maths and physics, and he developed the rules of gravity and the 3 rules of motion, and he explained how the objects move around the world and the universe and other places and other things. So it is very interesting thing for us and everything. And he also discovered that the white color made up with different colors, that prisma split lights in the different colors in our rainbow colors, rainbow lights and other thing. And it very helpful thing for other scientists to understand how to work these lights in has work as a different colors and other thing. Yes, and and 16 and the scientists about the 1687 he published his books mathematical principle of natural philosophy and other. And this book helped to understand his theories about the gravity and motion and other thing and other scientific formula. And this book is one of the most important scientific books in the world. You are the writer and other thing. So it is very powerful thing and very powerful book. This useful for everyone and everyone. And greatest scientist Newton died on the 31st March and 27 and his discovery changed the way for people to understand the world and other universe, and very helpful this discovery for other scientists and understand. And through his life we knew he is not only a scientist but he also deep religion man, and he spent so many time to study Bibles and writing the religions and other thing. And he also worked as a head of Royal Mint as managing and creating the coins and other things. So it is a very important thing, and it is also religion man, and it is work, and this man work other field and other things. So it is a man is very important for our life to learn and about thing. And he remember this time as the most figure of in science of this world, and his ideas continue reviewed in the world and inspire many people. His idea inspired many people and inspire us that this person without parent do this most big discovery and do big things, that impossible thing this person can make the possible. So this life of this person inspire us that we can do anything if we want to decide, and if we want to do, if we can also get anything. So it is very inspiring life of this person, and learn us about the inspiration, and we should work continuously without any reason and without any of the parts. So this is all about my topic, and thank you very much for listening, guys.